loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what came in my Decocrated box for the winter box. You guys know I've recently, I think I've done 2 or 3 of these unboxings. It is a seasonal subscription service that is a home decor subscription. So it's super exciting for people like me who love to switch out your decor, especially throughout the seasons. I always like to switch it from summer to fall to winter to spring. So it's a really great way to get really adorable home decor delivered right to your box. You don't even have to leave your home. Did I just say right to your box? I meant right to your house. You don't even have to leave your home. It's $79.99 for the season, and I do have a coupon code that's going to save you guys $10 off, but they've now changed the coupon as well so that if you guys do want to sign up for the annual subscription service, it's $10 off quarterly and $30 off for the entire year. So if you do want to just go ahead and get the whole year, then you can save $30 off with that coupon code. The box is valued at over $200. So you are basically getting, each item is just under $10. You also get a free gift when you sign up that will be shipped separately about 3 to 4 days after you sign up. And it is this little frame. So currently I have my fall one in here, and I've had a few different ones. So I'll show you all the cute little ones. They always have featured artists. So like the first one I had was this one, which is very summery. It has a flamingo. Then I got, oh, this must have been a spring one. So I've had a spring, summer, fall, and winter. So this will be my 4th box that I have received. But they come with that little frame. So the frame is the free gift that you would get one time, and then each box you always get a cute little piece of artwork. So this one for the fall was Hey There Pumpkin and Spooky, so I currently have it as Hey There Pumpkin. And then in the winter box this month, or this season, I got another piece of art, and let me see who the artist is. Caterina Fonte, and each season they have a different artist that they feature, which is really cute. So this one has like all of the little kind of winter essentials, mittens, hot cocoa, candy canes, little doodles, and then on this side it says cold nights, good books, hot chocolate, soft socks, cozy sweaters, and winter memories, which is really cute. So I would probably put it on this side when I am ready to decorate for winter. And then you just have this cute little picture frame that you can set up wherever you want. I also love the fact that it comes with a little booklet, and it gives you ideas of how to decorate with the pieces that come in your box. So they're always giving you like different ideas of what to do with pieces, which I love. They also have a blog, they have a Facebook page so that you guys can go and get more inspiration, and it's kind of like a little community of like how other people decorate their items, and then it gives you a breakdown of what comes in your box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came in my box for winter. And I love the fact that they have so many interchangeable pieces. So like this, for example, one side it says, there may be nothing greater than a life well loved. And I feel like this is, it could be all year. It doesn't necessarily have to be just for winter, but it's just like this cute little wooden frame. But then on the other side is a little hat from that same artist that says warm and comfy. So it's really cute that you can kind of like leave this out all year and then just switch it out for when this, you know, for when it's like more festive holiday season. So that is the second item. The first piece was that little artwork for your frame. Then we have a little, what is this called? Pillowcase for a throw pillow. Again, same artist that they featured for the little piece of artwork. And this has a bunch of little sweaters, and it says, get cozy with it. Fa la 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 la, with cute little sweaters. And then on this side it is just a plain red color. Next we have these gorgeous little set of ceramic Christmas trees, and it's a little medium, a large, and then a little small one, and they're all different shades of green, which I think are so cute. I cannot wait to decorate for Christmas with these little trees. I have incorporated a lot more green into my decor lately, and I think these are going to be so cute. I love them, and they do have little foam bits on the bottom so they're not going to scratch anything, which I think is quite handy and thoughtful. We have these cute little tags, and you can use these as little Christmas ornaments. I'm trying to get this to focus here. There we go. So you can use these as Christmas ornaments on your tree, or you can use them as like little present tags, you know, to put onto presents. So that one says peace, joy, and then that little present. Aren't those so cute? So I'm going to use these as Christmas ornaments because my whole theme is like woodland creatures. There's lots of woody tones on my tree and everything. So those are perfect for my Christmas tree. Then we have this gorgeous little tray, which they do show you how to style. It's got these really nice handles, which I love. And then it has like the nice wooden frame. And then on the back, I don't really know what this is. Is it metal? It's like painted metal. But it's super cute to just put on your coffee table or your ottoman or your counters, kitchen table, whatever it is, but it's super cute. And I love the way there's one in here that was styled so cute. This was such a fun idea to put on your countertop as like a little hot cocoa station. It's so cute. They have like hot chocolate, little pirouettes, marshmallows, chocolate chips. It's so cute. And then this one they have like with a little Christmas house and a candle. Over here they have a mug just like on the coffee table, and then over here they have like a little plant book and some coffee. So they have a blanket, which I have already got set up on my chair, so I will show you that on my chair. It's like this kind of waffle, like a waffle kind of, you know, design. And then it has the little tassels down here. It's really, really soft. So I just have it on this little chair with the cute little pillow next to my greenery, which I absolutely love. And they also had this cute little like letter holder, which I have up on our wall in Jade's office. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like. And once it becomes more wintry, I'm actually gonna use that tray right now because I can use that tray. And I'm also gonna put up that little sign. So I'll show you guys how I put those signs up and how I decorate the tray. I just love this box. It really is fun. If you are someone who loves home decor, and I feel like there is a lot of you that watch me that do like home decor, then you're really gonna love this box because it's just a super fun way to get things that you wouldn't normally pick out. And these are very unique to them. Like the, you know, the artwork is unique to Decocrated, and it's just a really fun way to kind of like put your own spin on their items and, you know, make it your very own. I always love the magazine because it always gives me some inspiration of how to decorate. And you can mix and match with the former boxes, which I think is really cool as well. So like I have my spring, my summer, and my fall like items that came in those boxes, and it's nice because then you can kind of switch all of them around and kind of like work with each, you know, it's kind of like you're building your collection, and kind of you can mix and match with all the different things that you've gotten in previous boxes. I hope you guys enjoy and found this helpful. If you've signed up for Decocrated already, please let everyone in the comments down below how you like everything. I think it's super cute. I love the items that I've been getting, and it's super I mean, you guys know I love subscription boxes. I just think they're so much fun. But this is a really great idea for a gift for someone. I'll leave the link down below for you guys so you guys can check it out yourselves. I'll leave that coupon code down below for you guys as well. So be sure to take advantage of that. Save yourself some money. Again, it's $10 for the seasonal or $30 for the annual subscription. Okay, let's go ahead and take a little peek at the rest of the items. Right here is how I have designed the tray. So I just have it on our kitchen counter. I've added like a couple of little pumpkins, a candle, a little faux succulent, and then this is the sign that says there may be no thing greater than a life well loved. But then once it's Christmas time, I can switch it out to say warm and comfy, and then put these like more like little Christmassy things instead of the fall things out. So it's kind of fun that you can switch it up like that so that it looks like this, which is super cute. I love it. I love this look. Ah! Golly. Frigging husbands, man. He did miss Little's home from school sick today, so we've got a full house minus Feeney. Okay, and then the last item, we are currently in Jay's office. So he has this little, this was the little letter organizer that came in the box, and he just screwed it up to the wall. It was really easy to do. You just put like a big screw right in there. And it's nice because then when the bills come, like if I get them, I can pop them in here. If he gets them, he knows that they're always in here. And then he stays organized and he can do all of his bills. And it looks super cute too, like against the black walls. So I'll give you a little peek of his office. It's a very small office. It's like the weirdest little space ever, and we weren't really sure what to do with it. It was kind of like this random weird room. It wasn't a closet. It's like basically a doorway to get to our storage room. So I was like, what can we do with this room that like actually makes it like a space that is cute and like has a purpose rather than just this random like walkway into another room. We made it a little tiny office and it's really cool and Jay loves it. We painted the walls black, which he did a very good job of. But we really like the way it turned out. But I just love it because in here it's like very, you know, it's very kind of like masculine with the black and then silver and pops of gold, and like we wanted to keep it very like manly in here, but still very chic. So he's got like this little shelf over here with all of his books, and then his little plant, his desk, and then that's usually full of bills. But yeah, it's really cool. It's a cute little way to organize all of the stuff you need to organize. We still need to find a picture for here. We were thinking about doing floating shelves, but then he's like, but then I'm just gonna have to have more things to like put on the floating shelves. So he's thinking about just like a big picture. We haven't quite found the one yet, so. But it's like now it's like an actual like space, whereas before it was just very strange. And then outside of like the little office space, he has this little thing that is like all of his extra papers and files and I don't know, all the stuff that he does. And then this was actually from Decocrated as well. And I just popped that there with his little speaker. And then that little sign was for Halloween that we need to take away. And then he's just got a little lion picture. But yeah, there you guys go. A little sneak peek of his office. I hope you guys enjoy my little mini tour and Decocrated unboxing for winter. And enjoyed Jay's little office. Look how cute it is. I love the black wall. It makes me so happy. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.